farting. He is dirty. I caught you on candy camera. How you liking the parade? Ooh, ooh, ooh. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tyra D and your boy.
I gotta pee.
Javon 773. Anyways, welcome back or welcome to our channel. We're going to Disney.
I really have to pee. I'm not. I think it's this one.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Ciao. Anyway, today we're going to Magic Kingdom. Woo!
Everybody got
They have, the merch they have is so cute. And then, look at these ears. So freaking cute. Now what is he doing? Here goes some ears.
$24 for some ears is crazy. It's $24.
And these are cute though.
This 50, this not bad.
Oh my god. Ooh, that looks scary. I know the kid's probably scared of this, because I would be. Yeah, it blew out a flame. I know. This one. Literally, they got an amusement park on there. Look at Donald. Get it, Donald. Get it, Donald. Get it, Donald. This is so cute. And here come Mickey and Minnie. How you liking the parade? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, Mickey. Ooh, ooh. Everybody easily jumping in the street instantly. Okay, first meal. Okay, our first meal of the day is this Mickey waffle with some hazelnut, probably like Nutella, strawberries, blueberries,
Not him
stuff like that.
over there.
Okay, finally we made it to Tiana. Tiana's Bayou. Oh, that looks fun. Oh my gosh. Yay! Here goes Tiana's stuff on the wall. Come on, Gumbo Cook-Off. Oh, this is so cute. Look at her kitchen. Oh. Welcome, y'all. Oh my God. Yo, wait. Look at his face. I don't know where it is. This us over here.
Terrible.
Looks scared. Just scared. Okay, we stopped off in a shop.
Smell like booty.
Ew. Look how cute this paper towel holder is. Has Mickey and the ears at the
Well, it
top.
smells like soap.
So why are you talking about it smell like booty?
Where is Flan?
It smells like soap. And they also got the charcuterie boards. Come on, high school. They gotta do what they gotta do. Okay, now we're in the line for the Haunted Mansion. It's actually not hot outside right now. Why do you always do that? Stop doing that. Why are you on this ride farting? He is dirty. I caught you on candy camera. You nasty. He on here farting, y'all. Just nasty. Anyway. why you look so confused? I'm over here just kicking. I'm laughing. I remember this ride from when I was a baby. Look how cute.
Naveen and Tiana.
It's great to meet ya. Oh, land of bewitching Bayou. What's that like? It's a land of dreams, good cooking, chefs.
Love playing ball with the big
Mickey Mouse. And this is... And you are...
I'm Minnie.
Good. This is Anna and Elsa. They're sisters.
Oh my, it's an honor to meet you.
Please, the honor is all ours.
Okay, the show just ended. Now we're headed over to Tomorrowland, but we want to try and find some food first. Okay, so we got a grilled chicken sandwich. I thought it was fried, but hey, I guess. And a regular hamburger. I should have got the regular. I don't know. Now we're at the Monsters Inc. Lab floor. I think it's like a comedy show, so we'll see.
It's Javon, right?
Yeah.
2 for 2. We're doing great so far, Javon. Let's keep this going. Would you think about a number between 1 and 50? Do you have that number inside your head there, Javon?
Yeah.
Excellent. Tell everybody out there in the audience what your number is so that they clap for me when I get it right. But don't you worry, Javon. I'm going to close my eyes so I cannot hear you. Okay, I'm ready. Tell them.
27.
Share your number with the audience, Javon.
27.
Tell everybody out there your number, Javon.
27.
Javon, I'm going to open my eyes now. You don't have to be sassy. Oh. Let's do this. Let's link up a little bit better here. Would you put your hands on top of your head for me and make antennas with your fingers like a bug? You know you've done that before you party. Javon, make this magical sound. Scoodly-doodly. Scoodly-doodly. Do it. Scoodly-doodly. Javon, that was amazing. It worked. I got your number. Here it is.
Oh my God.
27.
What? Bro, we're literally in a whole movie right now. This is crazy. We are in a whole movie. You cannot tell me we're not in it. What? What?
Sir Tory wants Captain Jack Sparrow.
Look at him. Oh my God, he looks so real.
Without a look at this here man.
What?
I wonder how they got them to look so real like this.
These look like wax figures, how real they look.
Do not tell him, Carlos. No, 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 no.
I'm not scary as to turn off all this.
Okay. Oh, you're real.
He is real.
No, he ain't. This actually looks really good.
Before it falls apart. Now that would be your stop right over there if you wanted to rent. She may look friendly, but be careful. Ginger snaps.
Ginger steps.
Now on the hard way. Now up here at the front of the boat, you're going to see the most beautiful thing out here in the jungle today.
Literally are flying above the little town. This is what the castle looks like at night, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty at night, but it's low-key kind of dark over here, I ain't gonna lie. All right, it is currently 1 in the morning. It's been a long day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Say goodbye.